The woodshop is more than just a workspace.
Feels like an extension of home.
We share a similar philosophy in terms of how things are made.
If there's a little wobble to the line, it just the evidence of a person being involved, and it gives it so much more character.
Every day I love coming in the shop, having an idea for a surfboard, creating it with my hands, and then experiencing it in the water.
Every piece of wood has so much character. I'm always influenced heavily by the nature of the material.
Let's see what this thing can do, Bertles.
I worked all over the city. It's nice to have that connection, something that I have some small part in. Danny, whinier than Lombard?
I think this car can handle it, but I'm not so sure about myself.
Right.
The inspiration to be out here is a culture that comes with urban environment, so we all bond around the pace and being on the edge of something.
Okay, give me a high C.
It's like an angel singing.
Whoa, you guys, look at this.
It's nice.
Oh, some walnut.
Oh, we gotta grab these.
Oh, like the glove.
Told you so.
Perfect.
I've always really been drawn to shared space for the camaraderie, for the confluence of ideas.
Be able to bounce ideas off them and really fine-tune things, I think just makes each of our craft that much better.
It's a fun place to come because I love everybody that works there, and they make it just an exciting place to work.
The magic thing about living here in the Sunset in San Francisco is you can just escape by driving.
You know, I was thinking we would just get out past the headlands and then get on the coast and see what works.
There are empty beaches nearby, something we try to take advantage of. Just give ourselves a little solitude.
Last time you took me somewhere, I got chased by an angry sea lion. That's where we're going again. Really?
It's this little break where you're just surrounded by beautiful natural harmonies. And so, yeah, the access to these places has proved indispensable.
Looks pretty calm out there.
Until Danny gets out there.